Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the D-Link DWC-1000 Unified Wireless Controller, a brief video on how to log in and change out your default password. Let's begin by setting up a static IP address on your computer's network card to match a login network of the DWC-1000. You want to go to your local area connection properties and select the IP version 4 properties here. Go ahead and select static using the following IP address of 192.168.10. I'm going to give my IP of 10.5. Thank you Windows for automatically updating the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 class C. And let's give the default gateway the actual IP of the DWC-1000. It's the default of 192.168.10.1. We don't need to set up a DNS server because we will not be using that today. Go ahead and save our settings by clicking OK and closing out the other windows. At this point, what I like to do is to confirm I can connect to my DWC-1000 by pinging the device, bringing up my command prompt here, and pinging 10.1, making sure that I'm able to connect to it. I'm able to do so. And then we can open up our favorite browser. And in the URL, go ahead and type in 192.168.10.1. Alright, so now at this point, we are at the management login page. In the upper left hand corner, you can confirm that it is the DWC-1000 that we are connected to, and the login prompt of the username and password appears in the center of the screen. The default login name and password is admin, lowercase, and also password is lowercase admin. So let's give that a try. I believe I changed mine out earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and use my current password. And it gives you access. Now, in this page, you'll see the menu bar Setup, Advanced Tools, Status, and Help. We want to change out the password, so we will click the Advanced tab here. And on the left menu column, we want to select Users, which will open up another submenu, and we'll click Users again. This should show you the list of users here, which should default to 2. There's admin and guest. Now guest by default is disabled, and what you want to do is select the checkbox on the left of admin so that you can click edit. Upon clicking edit, you'll see the user configuration here. The username is admin, first name is admin, last name is SSL, and so forth. You want to click on check to edit the password checkbox here, another confirmation, and enter the current password, which is admin lowercase. In this demonstration, I'll be using my current one, and we want to change it out to something that we will remember. And verify again in the last window at the bottom. You might want to write it down. You might want to memorize this. Make sure you don't forget it. But in case you do forget it, in the back of the D-Link DWC-1000 device, there is a reset button that you can press, which will reset the device back to factory defaults. A lot of our D-Link products here also have that reset button. Just in case you do forget your password, you can always click or press it while the device is turned on and hold it down for approximately 7 to 10 seconds, and that should reset any device to factory default. Let's continue now by clicking on Save Settings, which will bring you back to the login screen here. Now it'll say that the password has changed. Please log in again as a verification. And to make sure that we did change our password, let's go ahead and give it a try. Click it one more time. There we go. And that brings us into the menu screen again. which tells us that we have successfully logged into our D-Link DWC-1000 and have successfully changed our password. It's also good practice to click Logout every time you finish using the management screen. And also very good hints here on the right side, the helpful hints, which should take you to more descriptions of what each command does in the menus, and some good reading material in case you get stuck. Let me click on status and log out. And that concludes our brief demonstration on how to log into the DWC-1000 and change out the password.
For more helpful videos, please check out support.dlink.com.